And another Wednesday night regatta. And Dave already has out the flip. Oh my God. Hey Joe. Hey Laura. How's everybody's weeks?
Better now.
Yeah?
Looking up.
Well, he's looking up.
Good.
A lot of breeze tonight, Dale. What do you think?
Wish we had more friends.
You're stuck?
Hey, you remember how the ends wiggle, Dave?
Uh-huh. Nice and solid now. Pretty good if we got it. There's Ben's. I'm sorry, you got to put up with Ben's.
Hey, Ben.
Mr. Fage, you're out for it, Dragon.
I always got to call him.
Wonderful. Good for you, man.
Can't see.
Trim, there you go.
That's a good photo. Hey, Dale, thanks for you're a good photographer. I mean, you had me on the line right at the start. The clock's right, Dale.
The J92 broke the spinner for the win when we've done it.
Uh-oh. On the Pee Wee had done, I got published at the book.
I want you, Dave, or Joe.
Yeah.
I want her on the pool. Hey.
One more time.
Completely by accident.
Come on! Hike, hike, hike!
They will. Stronger than steel.
Big pup coming in. I have to tell back again. 4, 5.
They can see it. Thank you, race committee.
Thank you.
Well done, lady.
Okay, Dale, up.